The AI-powered lead generation software has several search methods from people where you're finding individuals looking for, example, CEOs of construction industries doing 50 million or more. You'll be able to find all of their contact information and detailed research using the people search. Our local and company search focuses on geography. Find me realtors in a specific city, or list for me companies who are doing a particular revenue amount or have an employee count. Domain search looks for a single individual company at a time, and influencers bringing back all of the latest data and information on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. The people search has advanced filters which allow you to look for people who have specific skill sets or who are holding titles or positions in companies of industries or of specific size. So you might say, for example, find me all of the CEOs. And then we might say, great, let's find CEOs of all of the marketing companies in a particular location that have got a specific revenue count or employee count. And let the program go to work finding those people and instantly diving deeper into their history and diving deep into these details, offering skills and job history, contact information, and again, allowing our AI assistant to deep dive, generating detailed information using AI, and then even performing such tools as writing full emails for that individual contact, being able to create similar profiles, writing DMs, or in fact, any research or creation that you'd like using our AI assistant. It is 100% customizable. We'll show you a little bit more about that in just a moment. Our people search, driving into individuals. Our local and company search allows you to really dive into geography, generating results for you on a pin drop so you can look on an individual location basis, bringing back company information, reputation, website, phone number, location details, and diving even deeper there, getting into employee count, review information, all social media information, and being able to bring back contact details of employees and people working at that company, including first name, last name, phone numbers if it's available. So now we have all of the social media information, we have all of the contact details, and again, we can turn on our AI assistant to find customer groups, similar and competitors, suppliers to these companies. We can even write DMs, research, we can write subject lines and emails, and we can create our own custom AI prompts to achieve absolutely anything within the program. Our individual search allows us to dive into one company at a time. So if I wanted to find my Dream 100 and I was looking for everybody that worked at a particular business, I could find them easily in the system. Again, bringing back names, email addresses, positions within the company, and even being able to create phone numbers on our enriched data if that's what you're looking for. And finally, our influencer search, searching in Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, being able to find people by hashtags, by their follower count, engagements, even their content and audience information. And the data coming back on our influencers, including contact information, includes all of their other social media profiles, includes their post history, includes their audience demographics. We can see who's following these people, and in turn, who are the lookalike followers that are posting similar content. Demographic information, audience information, all right back into the system. Using that information, we can now let our AI do incredible things, such as creating a specific podcast invitation, written in a format that we've suggested, looking at the suitability of an influencer to find out if they're a great fit for a partnership, understanding with AI and using AI to deep research and match our ideal audiences together. The AI system within our program gives you infinite flexibility as to engaging with your ideal prospect, be that for publicity, be that for joint ventureships, or simply to add new sales opportunities into your pipeline. Using the AI tools, create your own prompts and instructions to the AI, and even build fully drag and drop AI agents that will perform all of these tasks for you 24/7, allowing you to simply set up your searches, your research, your creativity, and send it across to your connected CRM and to your outbound webhooks or CSV files, all instantly using AI and using a complete autonomous AI agent to do the task. This gives your leads program so much power. You can control who you're looking for. You can control exactly the research to be done, finding out all of the information, including contact details and specific research that you can then use in your messaging and in your connections. This is not just about finding a lead. This is about tailoring the opportunities and using the power of AI to do so. Get started with us today and start running your first search.